You fell into my trap! Octopus! Nowhere to run this time! Now, tell me, Octopus, what are you plotting? How many others are there? Why is everybody fish? It doesn't matter. Go back where you belong! Goodbye, Octopus! I'll tell your family the bad news.
A little Joe keeps me up that extra 17 hours. Hey, where'd my coffee go?
And she says, well, are you a girl or a boy?
I can't remember the last time I saw a woman.
2 days. Fred, we've been on sea 2 days.
$99 of grog on the wall.
Bob.
$99 of grog.
Bob!
What?
We've come a long way from that. Let's not stereotype ourselves.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
That's fine. Now, please, build your peg leg so I can swab the poop deck.
Life Poseidon, that song's gonna be stuck in me head for years.
Watch out, it's slippery out here.
Hey, new guy. You aren't going anywhere till the deck is swabbed and the anchor's hoisted.
That's a terrible dream.
Good one.
What?
Net profit.
I hope I don't see any octopuses. Why?
Octo!
I just hate them so much.
Glad to see you out of the shower. Can you get to the helm and get us out of this storm?
I thought I saw somebody sneaking around to the front of the boat.
The captain's back, thank goodness. Start the boat, Captain, hurry.
Sometimes I wish I became a maritime lawyer. That new cook on board? I heard he's a real piece of work.
I asked him for seconds and he threw a pineapple. I asked him
We're
for
moving
pineapples and
again.
he kicked me in the
Free
stomach.
Poseidon and his ever-flowing beard of clams.
Excuse me.
Is it just me, or did the captain seem jigglier than usual?
The captain! I'm sorry for stowing away. Please don't throw me overboard. Really? Well, now we're both in trouble. Who are you then? Aren't we a pair? Say, why don't
Is the octopus here?
That's Chef! He's been watching for stowaways the whole voyage.
Something's different about you, Captain. If you really are the captain, then dance the captain's jig. Interesting. Such movement. Wow. A fine jig. But can you tie a sheepshank knot? What kind of knot is this? You are not the captain. You are not even human!
Hey, big guy. Yeah, you.
What? Who are you? Stowaway?
Wait! Before you kick me off, can I ask you some questions about the war?
Well, since you asked, I have some strong opinions.
What is this conflict all about?
Let me start from the beginning. Curse you, octopus! I will find you! I will always find you!
That was a close one. I hope that man is okay. All right. So what about you, mystery man? Who are you? Well, someday I'll get an answer out of you. In the meantime, would you care for a dance? Kids, have you seen your father? It's almost closing time. Where could he be?
Dunno. I saw him go in a weird door.
Another mystery. Well, we'll wait as long as we can.
Excuse me, ma'am?
It's that weirdo!
I have bad news about your husband.
Don't trust him!
Have we met? Wait. I've seen you. Are you an old friend of my husband's? What can you tell me about him?
Everything! You must come with me to cafeteria!
Come on, Stacy. What? Wait!